Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this Motorola. First of all, open one or two of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Play Store and Chrome. Now select the square button at the bottom right corner and tap on the icon of your app that you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen, in my case Chrome. Then click on split screen. Now you can select the other app from here or select home button and pick any other one. As you can see, after that I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!